everyone, my name is Lubis and my name is 180406 169. Today I'm gonna show you to my project. My project is hotel and mall. Okay, check it out. For the presentation framework, today's topic is introduction, perspective of the project description, notes conversation, and etc. Okay, for the location. And next for the project location. Project location is the Lubis Street, Medan in Sungai North Sumatra, which coincides with the Green Jamis area Medan Hotel. This building will later function as a hotel and mall, where of the two functions have a different relation in terms of zone and function. This building has a postmodern style, while the name of the project itself is the Green Ring Road because the location of the building is in the ring road area of North Sumatra. This is of my project site. Is exactly is empty. Alright, let's go to the facilities on site. Then for the existing facilities on site, initially the site and the location is an empty site, which has an area of about 50,000 square meters. For site facilities, in this project there are various kinds of the garden furniture, amphitheater, parking area, main garden, and fish pond. While for the entrance and exit for the facial is at the east, north, and south gate. I have to I have to get for the entrance area for the facial circulation mode in here, and go down to basement. And then for the north gate, facial can enter in here, and go down to basement. And for the circulation of the drop off area, is can enter in here. Alright, let's go to the mesh conversation. This design concept began with a square rotate in the direction of 45 degrees. Rotate in the direction of the 45 degrees. The square is the rotate for the 45 degrees. And then furthermore, this design is actual to bring up the podium floor of the building. The extrude for the podium floor. And then next, this design is added with the same shape, with small size, and will be used for the floor of a typical building. Plus, the same square design in the middle there is unique to this design and will be used of the tower building. With a square shape that is rotated in the 40 in the direction of 45 degrees and with a small scissor, it will be used a tower for the building. Alright, let's go to the podium floor. This podium floor has a three floor, which on the each floor has the two zones, namely public and service area zone. On the left, in the plan, is a public area, and on the right, in the plan, is a public area too. And lastly, there is a service area behind the building. Surface area, public area, public area. Alright, let's go to the typical building. Okay, then we go to the typical building. On this typical floor, it has four typical floors, where each floor has two zones, namely the semi-public zone and service zone area. On this floor plan, the left and right are semi-public zones, while the service zone area itself remains behind the building too. Semi-public zone, and service area zone. Alright, as for the tower. This building also has two zones, namely the privacy zone and service zone. Privacy zone is the room of the hotel, and service zone. Alright, let's go to poster page one. In poster page one, I have the concept idea. The initial idea of this concept was taken from the design location, namely the Medan city as well as the Medan city itself. In terms of its geographical condition, located at an altitude of 2.5 until 23.5 meters above sea level and a city surrounded by mountains. The location of this design is on a Medan Ring Road, where the condition of the site is in the lowland. This is where the creation of this village was created, which is a design with the function of a hotel and mall, which is expected to be incrementally friendly for the user and the surrounding environment. Function. This building will be have two functions. The first is this building will be used as a shopping center and secondly as a hotel. Okay. Next for the postal text on the graph. The style concept of the building there is applied to the design of this hotel is contemporary architecture. The rule of contemporary architecture is a form of construction that embodies various styles of building design that come from various influences. The main thing here is how to apply that contemporary concept in design building. So there are several things that must be considered, such as material selection and filtration and material lifting, balance and influence design, and early circulation. For the pedestrian circulation, a pedestrian path is provided and for car circulation. You can go through the east gate to the Gagaitan Street, then exit the south gate which is on the Lubis Street. And for the motorized vehicle, you can enter the north gate which is on the Punggol Street and exit the south gate building to access. There are three main gates that can be accessed to enter the building. Okay, and here I have in this project I have the three gates for the circulation facial. One I have the east gate for the entrance gate one, and two I have the north gate for the entrance gate two. And lastly I have the one exit gate, namely is a south gate. Alright, let's go to the first page three for the crossing. In this design the writer add an architectural or driving in each with in which is expected to have in reading by design. This building has a mixed style, namely the contemporary style and postmodern style. Most of this design is dominated by the postmodern style. Structure. For the structure in this building such as the foundation using the type of oil foundation and for the size of the column, the building itself is approximately 0.8 meters, while the material itself use more steel. Okay, and here I have the picture market. Okay, go to my figure rendering. This is of my 3D rendering video. Okay. Okay, nice to the 3D rendering video. This is my video 3D rendering of interior for the hotel room. Okay, then we go to the next one, the 3D interior. This is of my little. This is okay. Okay, thank you for watching of my presentation, student. See you. See you next time. Bye.